Hello, I'm happy to have you here again in this channel. Today we are going to look into how you can install WordPress on your cPanel. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will walk you through how to install WordPress on cPanel step by step using a beginner-friendly method that works on most web hosting providers. We will be using Hostinger for this particular tutorial. You can use any hosting platform of your choice, but this particular video I will be using Hostinger to explain this. All right, but before you do that, you will make sure that you have a registered domain or you have a subdomain, which I will show you how to get subdomain in my next video. You will also make sure you have a hosting platform, which I will also show you how you can get a hosting platform, paid one and free one. And you will make sure that you have access to your cPanel login. These are the things that you need to make sure you have before you can continue in this tutorial. All right, now this video we are going to learn the introduction to cPanel and domain installation of WordPress and WordPress dashboard. All right, so we are going to follow it step by step. The introduction to cPanel is all about hosting platform where you host your website. In my previous video, I explained all about hosting. All right, you can get any kind of hosting. There are different hosting companies that you can register and start using their plans. All right, now this particular one, there is no need to explain to you detail about hosting platform. So a lot of platforms that sell domain, you can use Namecheap to get your domain. So without wasting too much of our time, let's get started. Now this is my Hostinger. Domain is the name, the title of your website that once someone search it on any web browser, the information about that your title will come up. For example, we want to search for this particular title, something like mrenene.com, then it will give you everything about that particular title that you entered. This is domain. Every website must have domain. If you go to this website, Namecheap, you can be able to buy a domain. If we go to website list, so you can install WordPress. So we want to use this website now. Okay, then you click on dashboard for those that are using Hostinger. So if you click on dashboard, then you scroll down, you click on website. Okay, if you click on website, you will see auto installer. Okay, you will see auto installer. Now you select the domain that you want to install the website. Okay, the domain that you want to install the WordPress. For example, if you want to install the WordPress in any of these domain, okay, you can then go ahead to select the domain. Or if you want to use new domain, okay, if you click on add domain, you click on create a website, you click on next, then you select WordPress, you click next, then you have to make sure you put your email address here, the email address that you'll be using to log in to the account. You will put it here, then you make sure you set your password. You set your password, you erase this one because this one is something that you may not remember. You erase this one, then and put something that you can always remember. Then you click on next. So if you click on next, don't select this one, create a website with AI, don't select. And this one, don't also select this one, just click on create blank website. Okay, now this is where you put that your domain name that you have already purchased. For example, if you purchase a domain name from here, something like this, a Namecheap here. Remember, Hostinger also offer domain name. Okay, they also sell domain. You can equally buy from them. Okay, so for example, you want to use this domain for your WordPress or as your website title, then you copy this domain name here. Okay, if you copy it, then you come back to this place. Then enter the name here, enter the domain name here. So if you enter the domain name here, they will ask you to claim the ownership of this domain that you added here. The domain that you added here, they will ask you to claim the ownership. Then if you click on verify the ownership, then you will be able to move to the next level. So that is how you can verify your domain name from this Hostinger, then be able to install WordPress. But I will show you another way to install your WordPress, because this video, the title is how you can install WordPress. We are not registering new domain, but I just want to show you how you can install your WordPress. If you already claimed the ownership of the domain, then you come back to this place, then click on website. You have to click on this place to select that name. That domain name will appear here. It will appear here. Okay, the domain name that you have already claimed the ownership, it will appear here. So once it appear here, okay, once it appear here, then you can go ahead to select it. Okay, you select it, you make sure that the name that you selected is showing here, this place that I'm pointing this cursor. You will make sure that that is the exact domain name that you want to install WordPress on. You will make sure that it's showing here. Then after making sure that it's showing here, you go ahead and click on auto installer. If you click on this place, then you need to come and make sure you select WordPress, this one. You will then select WordPress. Do not select this one because you are not using this one. Do not select this one because you are not using it. Do not select this one because you are not using it. What you are using is WordPress. Then you go ahead, click on select. If you click on select, it will ask you to put your email address, put a password, then click on install. You automatically install the WordPress. After installing the WordPress, this is the next view that you are going to see that I will show you now. Then you will see something like this. You will see something like this. It will appear like this, where you will see WordPress admin. Okay, so once it appears like this, you will then go ahead to click on this WordPress admin. So if you click on WordPress admin, it will redirect you to the WordPress dashboard, where you can have access to make your design the way you want it. As you can see, we have now onboarded to our WordPress dashboard. Then you can go ahead and make your design, do whatever thing you want to do, set the website title, set the website appearance, install your plugins, and set everything the way you want it, create your pages, and start working on your website without wasting too much of your time. So this is how you can do this. It's very, very easy. Remember, this video is totally for beginners, people that desire to start WordPress design. So this is the simplest See, this is the simplest way to understand what we are talking about. So that is why we are making it this simple, because it's totally for beginners. It's not for experts. It's not for people that have already know anything about WordPress. This is totally for beginners, people that are starting the journey. All right, that is why we are bringing it too low like this, so that you can be able to understand how the process goes. So if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. In the next lesson, I will show you how to choose and install a WordPress theme and start designing your website. Drop your question in the comments. I will respond to everyone. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.